The lazy way to become a millionaire. Set it and forget it. Investing. What if I told you the laziest person in the room might just become the richest? No day trading. No crypto roller coaster. Number 3 a.m. Reddit deep dives. Just a simple, proven method that turns ordinary people into millionaires, almost on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true? Here's the kicker. It's not. In fact, this method is quietly building generational wealth for people who don't even know how the stock market works. They're not grinding, they're growing, silently, steadily, powerfully. Today, I'll show you exactly how the set it and forget it strategy works, and why waiting even one more year could cost you hundreds of thousands in the future. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Do you want to hustle forever or build wealth while you sleep? The plan. Education plus emotional triggers plus practical wisdom. Point 1. The psychology of wealth. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Wealth isn't built through complexity, it's built through consistency. The biggest enemy of wealth? Not the market, not inflation. It's you, your emotions, your overthinking, your constant need to do more. Set it and forget it investing works because it takes you out of the equation. No panic selling, no fear-driven FOMO. Just slow, steady, automatic growth. And here's the emotional twist. Every dollar you invest today is a soldier fighting for your freedom tomorrow. Not investing? That's surrendering your future for comfort today. Point 2. How the lazy strategy actually works. So what is this lazy strategy? It's called automated index fund investing. You pick a diversified, low-cost index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500, and you invest a set amount every single month, no matter what the market is doing. Let me paint the picture. You invest $500 per month starting at age 22. You stick to it. Never miss a beat. By the time you're 52, without lifting a finger, you've crossed $1 million. And yes, that's assuming average market returns, not some unicorn scenario. You don't need a finance degree. You need a bank account, 10 minutes, and the discipline to not touch it. Think of it like a crock pot. Set it. Forget it. Come back later and boom, financial feast. Point 3. Why time is your greatest asset. You ever hear the phrase, time is money? Let me fix that. Time is millions. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest, and the more you earn. That's the magic of compound interest. Here's a chilling truth. If you wait just 5 years to start investing that $500 a month, you don't retire with $1 million. You retire with half that. That delay? It just cost you $500,000. Question break. Still think waiting until I have more money is a good excuse? Point 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Here's where most people sabotage themselves. They stop investing when the market dips. They try to time the highs and lows. They get bored. They move their money. Newsflash. The market doesn't reward those who react. It rewards those who endure. If you want to be wealthy, don't act like a gambler. Act like a builder, brick by brick, month by month, year by year. Oh, and stop checking your portfolio every day. That's like digging up a seed every 24 hours to see if it sprouted. Point 5. Automate everything you want to win this game. Take your human brain out of it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account the same day every month. Ideally, right after you get paid. Make it so invisible it feels like a bill. But unlike rent or car payments, this one pays you back. Automation removes decision fatigue, discipline failure, and missed opportunities. Let your money hustle while you're busy binge-watching Netflix. Because you know what's better than financial freedom. Financial freedom you forgot you even built. The payoff CTA and vision casting. In the end, this isn't just about becoming a millionaire. It's about buying back your time. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that no matter what chaos happens in the world, your money is working harder than you are. You don't need a get-rich-quick scheme. You need a get-rich-forever plan. So, what happens next? You could click away, go back to your day, and keep hoping something magical happens. Or, you could set up your lazy portfolio today, right now. Because the only thing standing between you and millionaire status is whether or not you actually start. Oh, and in the next video, I'll show you the exact funds to pick, how to automate everything step by step, and the 3 mistakes that even smart investors make in year 1. So hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below. Are you team lazy investor or still team hustle mode? And share this with someone who thinks being rich means being busy. This is the blueprint. Now go build your legacy.